Hello students, today we are going to find the Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at. So how to find this Laplace transform of this type of function? So we know that the cos hyperbolic at equals to e to the power at plus e to the power minus at by 2. This is the definition of cos hyperbolic at. Now put the value in the Laplace form. So Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at equal to Laplace transform of e to the power at plus e to the power minus at divided by 2. Now by using the linearity property, we can separate out each term. So Laplace transform, take 1 by 2 outside, e to the power at plus 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is the constant, so we can take it outside, e to the power minus at. Now using the definition of Laplace transform of at, this is equal to 1 upon s minus a. This is equal to 1 upon s minus, and this is minus of a. Now take 1 by 2 outside, so inside term is 1 upon s minus a plus 1 upon s plus a. Now take LCM and try to solve this. This will convert it into, this is s upon s square minus a square. So this is equal to Laplace transform cos hyperbolic at is given by s upon s square minus a square. Look at back. First use the definition of cos hyperbolic at. So cos hyperbolic at can be written as e to the power at plus e to the power minus at divided by 2. Now using the linearity property, we can separate out each term. Then we know that the Laplace transform e to the power at equal to 1 upon s minus a. This is 1 upon s. In place of minus a, we can replace minus a and simplify it. You will get this answer. From this you can use the, if you don't know the formula, just find the Laplace transform of e to the power at by this formula, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft. So what is the value of ft? Ft equal to 80, and try to solve this integral. After solving this integral, you get this result. Thank you very much.